Press the wrong button.
Oh, teamwork.
Uh-oh. Can you straighten it out so it doesn't hit the cup?
Leave your comrades behind there.
Stand up. Stand up, Charlotte.
Oh, she just starts crying. It's not going her way. She's gonna be spoiled. Ginger, don't you?
Oh, brother's in the way. Who cares?
Run him over.
Oh well, it's just too bad. Oh well, got some construction.
Right up his crotch. He's pushing it away. He's pushing it away. Get it away. Charlotte.
Can you stand her up? Maybe she can walk. Maybe we'll get her to walk again.
Hey, you. Wanna walk?
Come here, Charlotte. Charlotte.
I don't know. Relax, relax.
She wants to go. She wants to go.
No, she doesn't. No, I'm not gonna force it.
Yeah.
She's already doing pretty good at it. So.
Uh-huh.
She'll walk when she wants to walk. Boom! Right into the coffee table.
Not focusing.